Welcome to Casa Grande, Arizona, home of Bull Moose Tube and Pipe. Inside this 172,000 square foot facility, workers are manufacturing tube and pipe products for a multitude of industries globally. Nearly every welded tube mill deals with having to remove the OD weld bead, also known as tube scarf, that is created by the forge-welding process while manufacturing tubing. Traditionally, the tube scarf is removed with a scarfing tool, and the line operator quickly grabs the scarf and feeds it onto the winder. The tube scarf process generates a high risk of injury to surrounding workers. Scarf is sharp and hot and can easily burn, cut, or grab line operators. Once the winder is full, it must be emptied and replaced, allowing opportunity for further injuries and causing production downtime. A Sweed Tube Scarf Chopper helps to increase operator safety and production uptime by limiting the operator's exposure to dangerous OD scarf and completely eliminating the need for a winder. To use the Tube Scarf Chopper, the operator only needs to feed the scarf into the chopper once. The chopper pulls the scarf into its pinch rolls and safely chops it at line speed.
The Sweed Scarf Chopper does increase efficiency for us because it is easier for the employee to feed the scarf into the chopper versus the winder. One of the things that it will do is it will let you continually feed the scarf into it, where if you're using a scrap winder, when the winder is full, you have to stop, take the winding off, and then throw that away.
The Sweed Tube Scarf Chopper not only creates a more efficient process, it also makes the process of tube fabrication simpler, quicker, and much safer for the line operator.
The results that we're getting from the scarf chopper have been very good. It has cut down on hand injuries, just less handling of the scarf versus a winder.
The Tube Scarf Chopper is changing the industry as we know it, all while decreasing production downtime and increasing worker safety. Through customer collaboration and Sweed's commitment to quality craftsmanship and innovative solutions, Sweed Tube Scarf Choppers have become optimal solutions for tube and pipe mills.